first solo hike ever. Will wasn't feeling the best this morning and we wanted to come do this hike. And so I just asked Billy if he minded that if I went by myself still, and he dropped me off. So I'm hiking by myself and it's crazy. It's such a crazy feeling. Like, I don't know really how to explain it. Like the independence of being alone. There's like these thorny trees. You know, I don't have Billy to, you know, hey, watch out for this, or hey, this, or the trail goes this way, or whatever. Like, I have my food and water in my bag, I have my phone, my map downloaded, I have no sense of navigation, of direction, but I'm doing it. So we're new to this whole YouTube thing, and so the next footage is none of us talking, but a bunch of footage from our 4-mile hike in the Valley of Fire today.
It's a sighting of Sasquatch.
Okay. if you get rammed, I'm just gonna record it.
Do it. This will be epic.
I'm such a nice person. Lady, I'm just gonna record it.
If I saw that, I'd probably pee my pants right now.
That's why someone got attacked by a buffalo at Yellowstone.
Man, what are you doing? Oh, if you get trampled, oh my god. I'm taking your camera.
This is what's wrong with the world.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah.
All jokes aside, please make sure you stay away from wildlife. Zoom in on your camera, stay in your car, all of that. Keep the animals safe. This is their home. Again, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. We will be putting out new videos every Thursday.